Okay, folks, so I was comfortable under a tree during this rainstorm. Luckily, it's letting up. And the dogs saw some motion. And they said, forget that, Dad.
That showed you doing almost 10 miles an hour.
We're out of here. Yeah, 10 miles per hour. That's accurate. I mean, they're flying. I barely could pick up the water bowls. So, I have to catch my breath a second.
You're going to put an emergency anchor on that thing.
That's what they have on dog sleds, anchors. They really do. It's almost done raining, I think. I'm getting ready to cross the road.
We're right on the other side.
I see it. I'm going to probably keep going unless I can get under this tree if they'll calm down.